Hey guys, today we're going to be making this sleeve with a gathered detail right here. So let's begin. You'll need your sleeve block. I have a video on how to make a sleeve block. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch that. Trace the sleeve block and then come back. So once you have the block, you want to first go in 1 inch, 1 inch, just to make it a bit more fitted. Or you can even go a bit more or not at all, depends on what you want. This is just a basic demonstration. And I'm going to join from the armhole. If you'd like to watch a video on how to make a perfectly fitted sleeve with woven fabric, meaning it's not stretchy, I have a video on that so you can watch that. Now you want to decide where you want the gathered detail to be. So in this case, we'll just choose maybe somewhere here. Yeah, wait, so this is the, and this is the front, this is the back. So somewhere here is nice. That is, let's give it 1.5 inches. You can put it anywhere you want, but we'll put it here for this demonstration. So we've decided where we want the line to be. Now I'm going to go 6 inches up where I want the gathering to start, right here. Now let's draw the lines for opening with 6 inches. So let's go 2, 4, 6. Now we are going to cut here and then slash these two as well. Oh, sorry, don't cut here, it's only up to here. I forgot. Don't completely open it. We're going to open it up like that. How much you want it to open is up to you. Maybe we can open double of this for it to have good gather. So if this is if this is 6, then we can open up 6 more. So maybe it would come somewhere here. Now we want to trace this out, or even just put what are they called, masking tape here, or I can put a paper underneath and glue everything up. Yeah, we'll cut up to here, because this will gather and come all the way here, like that. So now let's go to cutting. Let's go to stitching now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.